This is a mulberry, and this is the mulberry tree, and it's yummy.
Is this how much we got for today? Let me see your hands. Okay, how does it taste like? What do you think?
Mulberry.
No, but how does it taste to you? Sweet or sour or what? What do you think?
Sweet, and it tastes like candy up there.
But is it better? Is it better than candy? Oh.
The juice of it tastes like candy.
Okay. And then how do you tell it's ripe? Can you tell, friend? Like, how do you tell this one? Tell me which one's ripe. Up there on the tree. Here, this tree. Is this ripe? Can I eat that one?
No.
Why?
Only the one that is purple like that.
What? Purple like that? Okay. Can you pick one off for friend to see? How do they pick? Okay. And then what happened after you pick it?
You eat it.
Show me how you eat it. All right. So say bye-bye.
Bye.